Chapter 1. The Quiet Village. In a small village surrounded by green trees and dusty roads lived a boy named Nilan. He was 16 years old, curious, and full of dreams. But there was one problem. He didn't speak English well. In school, Nilan always stayed quiet during English class. He understood a few words, but was afraid to speak. His classmates laughed when he made mistakes, so he stopped trying. At home, he helped his parents in the garden, fed the chickens, and listened to some hollow songs on the radio. But deep inside, he wanted something more. He wanted to explore the world, make friends from other countries, and maybe one day tell a story to millions. Chapter 2. The Spark. One evening, Nilan found an old smartphone in a drawer. It was slow, but it worked. He connected to Wi-Fi and opened YouTube. The first video he saw was a boy from India speaking English confidently. Nilan watched the video again and again. The boy wasn't perfect, but he was brave. He made small mistakes, but he smiled and kept going. That night, Nilan whispered to himself, "I want to speak English too." Chapter 3. The First Step. The next morning, Nilan stood in front of the mirror and said, "Good morning." It felt strange. He tried again, "My name is Nilan." Then, "I am learning English." He laughed at himself, but he didn't stop. Every day, he practiced simple sentences. "I like mangoes." "This is my house." "I am a student." He started watching English cartoons with subtitles. He didn't understand everything, but he caught words like hello, thank you, and sorry. Chapter 4. Mistakes and Courage. One day, Nilan tried to speak English with his friend Sahan. "Hello, Sahan. How are you?" he said nervously. Sahan laughed. "Why are you speaking like that?" Nilan felt embarrassed, but he remembered the boy on YouTube. Mistakes are part of learning. He replied, "I want to learn English. I want to talk to the world." Sahan smiled. "Okay, let's learn together." From that day, they practiced together. They made flashcards, watched videos, and even tried to write short stories in English. Chapter 5. English at Home. Nilan started using English at home. He labeled things in the house. Door, chair, spoon, mirror. He taught his little sister to say apple and water. His parents were surprised but proud. He wrote a diary in English. "Today, I helped Mother in the garden. I planted tomatoes. I feel happy." Chapter 6. The English Challenge. One day, Nilan saw a poster in school. English speaking contest. Winner gets a laptop. His heart beat fast. He wanted to join, but he was scared. Sahan said, "You can do it. Just tell your story." Nilan practiced every day. He wrote a speech. "Hello, everyone. My name is Nilan. I come from a small village. I didn't speak English before, but I wanted to learn. I watched videos, practiced with friends, and used English in my life. Now I am speaking to you." On the contest day, he stood on stage. His hands shook, but he remembered his journey. He spoke slowly, clearly, and with heart. The audience clapped. Some even cried. He didn't win first place, but he won something bigger: confidence. Chapter 7, English Everywhere. Nilan started using English in many places. At school, asking questions, helping others. At the shop, reading labels, talking to tourists. Online, chatting with friends from other countries. He joined an English learning group on Facebook. He posted videos of himself speaking English. People encouraged him. He even helped his teacher create English games for a class. Chapter 8, The Dream Grows. One day, Nilan got a message from a boy in Kenya. "Hi, Nilan. I saw your video. You speak English well. You inspire me." Nilan smiled. He replied, "Thank you, my friend. Let's learn together." He realized something powerful. English is not just a language. It's a bridge. It connects hearts. Chapter 9, Tips from Nilan. Nilan started sharing tips with others. Speak English every day, even if it's just one sentence. Watch English videos with subtitles. Read simple books and signs. Write your thoughts in English. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Practice with friends. Think in English. Celebrate small wins. He said, "English is like planting a tree. Water it every day. Give it sunlight. Be patient. One day it will grow tall." Chapter 10, The Boy Who Spoke to the World. Years passed. Nilan became a teacher. He taught English in his village and online. His videos reached thousands. His story inspired many. He still made mistakes, but he smiled and kept going. He told his students, "Use English in your life, not just in exams. Use it to dream, to connect, to grow."